Hi kings and queens, I'm here at Aldi and I'm going to do a store walkthrough including the grocery section, so if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. For area rugs, they are $50. They are absolutely beautiful. They're gray, light gray, dark gray, and cream. The size is 48 by 72. And then they have these beautiful felt hampers here. Really nice. They have them in dark gray and light gray for $10. Corner garment racks, they are $15. Foldable work table for $20. They have this electric saw for $30. This amazing portable heater is only $20. They also have this 6-gallon wet dry vacuum for $40. They have this 4-tier accessory shelf for $14.99. Really nice. Okay guys, so Specialist Select have these top crusted flounders. They have one in coconut, one in tortilla, and one in macadamian. How about that? Great deal. Only $7. Arby fries. They are $4.96. They have the whipped cheesecake caramel apple for $5.99. They have the crustless PB&J sandwiches for $3.69. And the waffle pumpkin spice or cinnamon is $2.49. Okay, so Mama Cozy Pizza Kitchen Bloody Mary or lemon pepper chicken pizza. They're only $4.99, guys. So this is the Bloody Mary. What a name, huh? Thin crust pizza. Yes. And the lemon pepper chicken right there. $4.99. We still have the pumpkin and feta flatbread for $4.49. This shrimp trio here is, you get 15 pieces and it is $5. So you get 5 shrimps, 5 wrapped shrimp, and 5 shrimp bites. 2 rolls supposed to equal to 5 rolls for $4.79. Okay. The 6-roll white classic paper towels for $6.89. The drawstring trash bags for $6.99. You get 28 of these. The Febreze air spray is on sale for $3.09. The original price was $3.24, so that's a few pennies off. The Glade plug-in warmer and refill is $3.48. We have all these candles over here. They always have these here, guys. They're $4.48. Yes. White cactus and sage. Smells pretty good. This one, citron and cilantro. It smells really good. They have the vanilla and the gardenia. Stoppable fresh or lush for $9.89. The bamboo pantry organizers for $9.99. And they have the single large bin or the 2-pack medium airtight bins for $12.99. This is the large one and this is the double pack here. The hot air brush, they are $20. The wooden hair brushes, they are $2.99. They have 4 different brushes: paddle brush, oval, detangle, and the round brush. They have these oversized luxury bath towels for $8.99, and they also have the 2-pack luxury bath towels for $12.99. And let me tell you, they feel really good, guys. Yes, I think you would like these. Okay, up here they have the electric soap dispenser for $12.99. The toilet brush and the waste bin, it is $9.99. The Power Oral Care Kit, $7.99. Great deal on this one. The ladies Sherpa fleece pullover. They are $12.99. And they have them in green and blue. And they also come in size small, medium, large, and extra large. These Italian style cookies, assorted varieties, are $3.49. They look so good and they are so soft. The Nutty Buddies, they're $4.48 for 24 wrap bars. Nabisco 12-pack single serve cookie assortment, $5.99. Rice Krispie Treats Home Style Original, 50% bigger for $3.49. So they have the Nutty Buddy family size for $4.68. Tortilla strip tricolors, they're $2.53. Double noodle or classic tomato crunch bowl for $2.28. Huh. Okay. Organic snacks here with the sweet and salty popcorn is $3.99. The Cheesies Puffs, they're $3.80, $3.48. Buffalo Wild Wing sauce is $3.68. They have the medium sauce, the Asian zing sauce, and the Parmesan garlic sauce, $3.68. So this week we have Kraft mac and cheese for $3.43. We also have the Velveeta, $3.43. The Live G free gluten-free cheesy stroganoff and the cheesy cheeseburger for $3.19. Now down here is the Italian sparkling water, mineral water, $4.95 on this one. Innovation only peanut butter with dark chocolate. They are $2.79. They also have the cashew cherry with dark chocolate. Yes, so they're like 20 cents off today. And we have the Elevation protein bars, protein meal bars, double chocolate, chocolate peanut butter, 12 grams of protein for $5.49. Eggs are $1.28, and the milk is going up a little bit. It is $2.02 for a gallon. Holiday Nog is here. So they have, it's a limited edition, but they do not have a price here. Have the vanilla spice eggnog here for $3.99, but I do not see the price for this one, which is the limited edition one. This one is the Shamrock Farm here. Lava cakes for $2.99, and you get a 2-pack in the lava cake. Is the mousse cups, and they are $3.59. They have the chocolate, and then this one is the caramel. Okay. Quarter boneless sliced ham is $4.49 per pound. Pre-sliced boneless. They have the breakfast ham slices for $3.49. Not a bad deal on this. They have this one. This is the breakfast slice as well, the larger ones, $3.49. That is a great deal. This is organic probiotic cashew milk yogurt, unsweetened plain, 1 gram total sugar per serving for $5.79. They have plain, and they also have vanilla bean. Yes. The pumpkin spice oatmeal creamer for $3.45. Ooh. That sounds good. The jumbo raw peel and deveined tail off shrimp, $9 per pound. This is the beef brisket coated with seasoning, salt, and pepper. Okay, so it is $4.31 per pound. This particular one is $23.66. I see another one for $18.78. The whole duck with orange sauce is $3.69 per pound. And they have the whole turkeys for $1.59 per pound. And the turkeys come in sizes. The weight is going to be between 16 to 22 pounds on these. Still have all of the candy here for Halloween. Like this 365 piece variety pack here. It is $29.98. The one with the sour patch is $9.94 for 100 pieces. And this 18 full size bars, $17.58. And so on. So this collapsible pet stairs, it is on sale for, I'm not sure if this is a sale price, but it's $19.99. It said it was $25. Okay. The ladies' tall rain boots on sale for $7.49. The original price was $15. Yes. This 1200 watt portable patio heater is $50. They say the original price was $70. This decorative wood chain is $2.49. The original price was $7.50. Decorative vase is $5. The original price was $10, which is going to be that one. Beautiful. Bowl fillers. These are $3.99. The original price was $5. The surge protector right here is $11.50. The original price was $17.29. These cast iron mini cookware, they're so cute. They're only $5. We have the griddle, the fry pan, the casserole dish. Yeah, so cute. Only $5. Compostable kitchen waste drawstring bags, 13-gallon. They're $3.99. They were $5.99. And then the sandwich bags, they're $2.49. They're down from $3.69. Yes. And then they have the gallon bags for $2.49. The original price was $3.69 on the gallon. These right here, gallon storage bags. Okay. Elastic pantry container set. You get a set of 6 for $3.49. The original price was $7. Have the apple, oatmeal, or pumpkin pecan cookies for $3.89. Ooh, they look so good. Ah, man. Sun-dried tomatoes, $3.99. You have the pesto for $2.99. Organic sun-dried tomato or red pepper paste for $3. Here, red pepper, sun-dried tomatoes. Not a bad deal. And then they have the Olive Garden salad dressing for $4.18. Kellogg's Special K or Mini Wheats Pumpkin Spice Cereals, $3.98. General Mills Lucky Charms Halloween or Reese's Peanut Butter, that's $3.68. Cheese balls, $6.98. Love those. The Cheetos mac and cheese, $1.24. Your Rice Krispie treats. Fun family activity. This is a pumpkin kit and a ghost pop kit here for $7. Yeah. So that's it, guys. That's it today here at Aldi. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed the content, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you all here. I thank you all again, and I'll see you in the next one.